What is underscore underscore future underscore underscore in Python used for, and how / when to use it, and how it works? Underscore underscore future underscore underscore frequently appears in Python modules. I do not understand what underscore underscore future underscore underscore is for, and how / when to use it, even after reading the Python's underscore underscore future underscore underscore doc. Can anyone explain with examples? A few answers regarding the basic usage of underscore underscore future underscore underscore I've received seemed correct. However, I need to understand one more thing regarding how underscore underscore future underscore underscore works. The most confusing concept for me is how a current Python release includes features for future releases, and how a program using a feature from a future release can be compiled successfully in the current version of Python. I am guessing that the current release is packaged with potential features for the future. However, the features are available only by using underscore underscore future underscore underscore because they are not the current standard. Let me know if I am right.
With underscore underscore future underscore underscore modules inclusion, you can slowly be accustomed to incompatible changes or to such ones introducing new keywords. Example, for using context managers, you had to do from underscore underscore future underscore underscore import with underscore statement in 2.5, as the with keyword was new and shouldn't be used as variable names any longer. In order to use with as a Python keyword in Python 2.5 or older, you will need to use the import from above. Another example is, without the underscore underscore future underscore underscore stuff, both print statements would print 1. The internal difference is that without that import, is mapped to the underscore underscore div underscore underscore method, while with it, underscore underscore true div underscore underscore is used. In any case, // calls underscore underscore floor div underscore underscore dot. Apropos print, a print becomes a function in 3.x, losing its special property as a keyword. So it is the other way round.
When you do, you're not actually using an import statement, but a future statement. You're reading the wrong docs, as you're not actually importing that module. Future statements are special, they change how your Python module is parsed, which is why they must be at the top of the file. They give new or different meaning to words or symbols in your file. From the docs, a future statement is a directive to the compiler that a particular module should be compiled using syntax or semantics that will be available in a specified future release of Python. The future statement is intended to ease migration to future versions of Python that introduce incompatible changes to the language. It allows use of the new features on a per module basis before the release in which the feature becomes standard. If you actually want to import the underscore underscore future underscore underscore module, just do. And then access it as usual.
It can be used to use features which will appear in newer versions while having an older release of Python. For example, will allow you to use print as a function.
Underscore underscore future underscore underscore is a pseudo-module which programmers can use to enable new language features which are not compatible with the current interpreter. For example, the expression 11/4 currently evaluates to 2. If the module in which it is executed had enabled true division by executing, the expression 11/4 would evaluate to 2.75. By importing the underscore underscore future underscore underscore module and evaluating its variables, you can see when a new feature was first added to the language and when it will become the default.
Is inserted